have the transmission bolted to this brand new 440 engine. We're gonna prepare to set it in my 1973 Plymouth Duster, replacing the 318 that was previously and originally in it. This engine is beautiful. Well, with help from Mom, Dad, and my two older brothers, we pushed the Duster into place, and we're ready to drop the 440 in her. Man, that's gonna be slick. There she is. This brand new 440 engine is sitting at home in my 1973 Plymouth Duster. Again, we pulled the original 318 engine out of this car, and my dad had this 440 built to replace it. Man, this is gonna sound good once we get her up and running. I cannot wait to get this car out on the road. Mopar or no car, baby.